Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. I started this channel last week and I introduced myself telling you what I'll be discussing on this channel, which is mainly about education, and of course I'm going to introduce some other things later, and I'm going to be talking about writing today. Last week I spoke about discussing writing on this channel, and today I'm going to be going in depth with regards to writing. So when you want to do any form of writing, you need to think about what you want to write. Are you Do you want to describe something? Do you want to narrate something? Do you want to persuade somebody to do something, or is it a form of exposition? So these are the things you need to think about. What do I want to write about? And this knowledge will inform how you are going to organize your writing and the manner you're going to put your writing together. So basically, there are four main categories of writing. You can talk about expository writing, form of exposition, and in this category, you have academic writing, which is talking about research papers and manuals or news reports. Secondly, you can talk about persuasive writing, in which case you're trying to influence others to buy your idea. So in this case, it's mainly expressing your opinion. And under this category, you can have reviews or news articles in which you put things together. So all in a bid to influence others. It also includes adverts. When people put adverts out, it's a form of persuasive writing. So you can also talk about descriptive writing, in which case you are trying to paint a picture of something. So you're trying to describe it. In this case, you tend to go a bit into the details of what you are trying to describe, because it's description, you need to make it as vivid as possible so that the person reading it will have a clear understanding or can create that kind of picture in their minds. And you and also talk about narrative writing, in which case you talk about short stories. You're narrating something. It can be a personal story, it can be a form of biography or a memoir, depending on what you want to write, what you want to narrate about. So, narrative writing can be real or fiction. So, you have a lot of that in the novels we read. So these are the four main categories of writing, and of course the content and your attitude and the way you put everything together will be dependent on your person, the topic you are writing about, and your ability to put everything together. So on this channel, because it's mainly about education, we are going to be discussing academic writing, which falls under the expository writing, and we're going to be talking about all about narrative writing as well. So under that, I'm going to be telling you more about a memoir I put together that was published 2 months ago. I'm going to be telling you about the content and how I put everything together. So under the academic writing, I'm going to go in depth in my subsequent videos on how to start step by step when you want to do academic writing. This will be particularly important for undergraduate students, master's students, and people who are doing research for their PhD, irrespective of the department, the faculty, or who you are. This will be really important, because in that case there is a particular target, there is a goal, there is, you have a topic, you have something you want to you want to write about. You have the idea, you've done your research, you need to put things together. So it's I'm going to be telling you about the standard procedure. And as I said in my first video, people find writing quite difficult. I hope with my videos I'll be able to simplify everything to make it very easy for people to follow that guide and to be able to do their writing by themselves. It will be difficult at first. It won't be easy. Writing is quite difficult because you need to think about what you want to write. Even when you have what you want to write, you need to think about organizing your thoughts and then putting everything together. And the typing itself is another thing. So it's writing is kind of it should be systematic as much as possible, and I dare say it's writing is like a spirit. So if you are in the mood, then you can put together a very good material, put something really great together. So we're going to be delving into that, mainly academic writing, as I mentioned, and I want you to watch out on this channel as we begin to put everything together step by step. Whether it is you wanting to write English exam in terms of the essay part of any English exam you want to do, or you want to write academic writing, whether you're a student in any department, as I mentioned. So we're going to be looking at everything. It's a general idea, and I want people to put their comments down below under this video, the questions you may have with regards to writing, with regards to different topics, and with regards to whatever essay topic you've been given in school or universities, depending on what it is. Then we can talk about that and give you a guide as to proceed with your writing. Writing is really important in every facet of our lives, and it's important that we cultivate the habit of writing, and as we progress, irrespective of the stage you are in your career, you need to be able to write. It is absolutely important. So thank you so much for watching this channel tonight. Thank you for spending your time watching this, and as we progress, we'll delve into more and we'll spend more time talking to ourselves and deliberating. So I want to really encourage you to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and share with your friends. Thank you so much, and we'll catch up next time. Peace out.